BTL22 is an electronic circuit designed to control the inverter loads according to the battery voltage. The circuit controls 3 separate loads with a maximum current of 20 amps each. It works on all inverter systems regarding the number of batteries used. 12-volt system, for inverters that use only one battery. 24-volt system, for inverters that use 2 batteries. 36 to 60-volt system for inverters that use 3 or more batteries. The user can program the system to operate the loads within 3 voltage levels of the battery. High voltage level, or HV. Medium voltage level, or MV. Low voltage level, or LV. The programming of voltage levels varies according to the system used, as follows. In the 12-volt system, voltage levels can be programmed in the range 8.0 to 20.9 volts. In the 24-volt system, the voltage levels can be programmed in the range 21.0 to 33.9 volts. In the 36 to 60-volt system, the voltage levels can be programmed in the range 34.0 to 63.9 volts. As we note, BTL22 circuit covers a wide range of battery voltages starting from 8 volts to 63.9 volts, which suits all systems and all types of batteries with different characteristics and capabilities. Choosing of the system and the voltage levels are determined by the user during programming, with the possibility of modifying settings any time according to the user's desire. The circuit is equipped with a main LCD screen to show the data during programming and operation. The following information appears on this screen. The system used, 12, 24, or 36 to 60 volts. The current battery voltage. The digital digits of the timer. The symbol N on indicates the availability of the public network. This symbol takes the place of the timer place when the public network is available. The status of each of the 3 loads on or off. The circuit is also equipped with a digital display that shows the battery voltage to be visible from a distance. In addition to the battery voltage that appears permanently on this screen, there are 7 symbols appear simultaneously or temporarily at the moment the voltage battery changes, or the general network status changes. These symbols are accompanied by 7 distinct sound tones for each case. Using the control buttons, we can program the circuit. The functions page provides us with additional tasks, through which we can modify the current program, erase the program to modify the system, restore the factory settings, or view the circuit and driver data. The circuit is provided with an input for 220 volts electrical supply from the public network. The circuit uses this input to detect the state of the general network. When the public network is available, all loads are automatically connected. We can program 4 delay times. These times serve as a stability timer for the current state before carrying out the intended job. These times are: delay on time. It is a delay time of the first load, L1, in minutes. Programming range, 1 to 15 minutes. When the battery voltage level reaches a state that requires connecting the first load, the timer starts counting down from this time towards 0. If this time elapses with the battery voltage stabilizing within the appropriate voltage limits, the first load will be connected directly, otherwise, the operation will be aborted and the counter will be zeroed. Delay off time. Programming range, 1 to 99 seconds. When the battery voltage drops down to a level that requires disconnecting 1 or more loads, the timer starts counting down from this time towards 0. If this time elapses with the battery voltage stabilizing within the appropriate voltage limits, the load is disconnected directly, otherwise, the operation will be aborted and the counter will be zeroed. Delay loads time. It is the delay connection time between loads in seconds. Programming range, 1 to 99 seconds. When the battery voltage reaches a level that requires connecting one or more load, the first load L1, only is connected after the delay on time, while the other loads, L2 and L3, are connected after the time, delay loads. This time provides a period of rest and stability for the inverter and batteries between the operation of one load and another, and so, protects the system from operating the loads at once at the same time. Delay net time. General network stability time in minutes. Programming range, 1 to 60 minutes. When the public network is available, the timer starts counting down from this time towards 0. If the time elapses with the public network is still available, the circuit connects all loads that are not already connected, with a time difference of 4 seconds between loads. The circuit constantly monitors the battery voltage during the counting. If a sudden change occurs in the battery voltage, or in the public network status, in contradiction with the desired process, whether connecting or disconnecting the load before the time has passed, the circuit immediately aborts the process and zeroes the counter. The value of the counter appears visually on the screen in real time, accompanied with flashing of a LED light at a frequency of 1 second, and flashing the intended load cell, or the network cell on the screen. The following videos show the programming and operation of the circuit in practice. Thanks for watching.
مخطط التوضيحي للدارة BTL22 وطريقة التوصيل. المأخذ 1 هو مدخل التغذية الكهربائية للأحمال من مخرج الإنفرتر. المأخذ 2 هو مدخل التغذية الكهربائية 220 فولت من الشبكة العامة. في حال عدم الرغبة بتشغيل الأحمال عند توفر الشبكة العامة، يترك هذا المأخذ حرا بدون توصيل. المأخذ 3 هو مدخل التغذية الكهربائية 12 فولت للدارة. نحصل عليها من البطارية الأولى في المنظومة حصرا، وذلك في حال وجود أكثر من بطارية. 4 حساس قياس جهد البطاريات. يوصل هذا الحساس إلى موجب البطارية الأخيرة في المنظومة. أزرار التحكم زائد ناقص نيكست ست المذكورة سابقا. أزرار التحكم ريزت فانكشن بيج باك والمذكورة سابقا. أخيرا مآخذ توصيل الأحمال الثلاثة L1 L2 L3. ملاحظات هامة: الإصدار 1022 من الدارة BTL22 غير مزود بنظام حماية ضد عكس أقطاب التغذية الكهربائية، لذلك تحقق من صحة وصل التغذية على البطارية بوصل السلك الأحمر إلى القطب الموجب والسلك الأسود إلى القطب السالب. إن عكس أقطاب التغذية قد يؤدي إلى تلف بعض عناصر الدارة. عند اختيار النظام 12 فولت، فإن أقل قيمة تسمح بها الدارة للجهد المنخفض low voltage هي 8 فولت، لكن من الناحية العملية أقل قيمة مقبولة للجهد المنخفض يجب أن لا تقل عن 10 فولت لضمان عمل الريليهات المستخدمة والتي تعمل بتغذية 10 فولت على الأقل. تحقق من تثبيت جميع الأسلاك بشكل محكم في جميع المآخذ، وخاصة في المأخذ المخصص لكشف توفر الشبكة العامة 220 فولت. في مقطع الفيديو التالي نشرح طريقة التشغيل العملي للدارة BTL22.